On this video, I'm going to show you one of the best strategies I've seen for flipping vacant land, and it comes from Miss Dherby, also known as the Land Queen. She's built a 7-figure land flipping business, and in my interview with her, she broke down the exact way she uses a free website to not just find distressed land sellers, but also how she finds serious land buyers. You're also going to learn how she finds the very best markets to flip land. You're going to get her exact blueprint coming up.
For a limited time, you can get a free copy of Jerry Norton's Vacant Lot Finder software, which finds empty lots that you can flip for profit. Get it now at vacantlotfinder.com.
I've been flipping land and buying vacant land to build and flip new construction for over 15 years. Land flipping is one of the best opportunities in real estate because in many ways it's simpler than flipping houses. There's less competition, it can be done virtually, and there are multiple ways to profit. The question is, how do you find good land deals that you can acquire at a discount? And how do you find land buyers that will buy your deals? And more importantly, how do you decide a good place to start looking for deals? Well, to answer those questions, I turned to one of the biggest land flippers in the industry, Miss Dherby, otherwise known as the Land Queen. Now, during my interview, she pulled back the curtain and showed her entire land flipping business model that I'm going to share with you right now. It's going to surprise you how simple this is. When it comes to flipping land, Miss Dherby's first rule is to only look for land deals in areas that have high demand from land investors. So before she even begins looking for landowners that want to sell, she first wants to know where all the land buyers are. This is what I love about her strategy. It's a buyer-first approach. She's not just randomly contracting vacant land and hoping someone wants it. She reverse engineers the market by finding out where buyers are already buying and actively investing. And not just any buyers. She is specifically looking for serious land investors buying a lot of deals who have the cash and will pull the trigger on good deals. Now, I'm going to show you how she finds her buyers in a minute. But first, let me show you how she validates if it's a good market for flipping land. And this part is huge. In a given metro or county, she wants to see at least 800 new construction homes sold in the last 12 months. Now that tells you there is a real builder demand and real land buyer activity in that market. A great way to do this is to look at homes that were built in the last 1 to 2 years that have recently sold. That will help you identify spec builders, which are investors who buy lots, build houses, and sell them for profit. For example, in Hillsborough County, Florida, in the past 12 months, there were over 2,000 homes that sold that were built in 2025 and 2026. When you see clusters of new construction activity like that, it tells you where builders are hungry for lots. Once she finds a market with strong new construction activity, next Miss Dherby creates a list of serious land investors that are buying vacant lots for cash. Remember, the approach is buyer first. And what's really exciting about this is Miss Dherby runs her entire 7-figure land flipping business using a free software called propwire.com. So in PropWire, here's how she finds her buyers. She starts with a vacant land search in a specific metro market or county. Then using the filter under owner type, she only searches landowners that are businesses. The reason is serious landowners are businesses. These are builders, hedge funds, or large land bank buyers. Next, to make sure she's only looking at the big players, she only wants to see business owners who own at least 50 properties or more and paid cash. Why? Because if a business owns 50 plus vacant lots and paid cash, that's without a doubt a serious land investor. That's someone who is actively acquiring property and may want more inventory. Hi, sweetheart. Love you. So the buyer search looks like this. Business owners, paid cash, own 50 or more properties. For example, if I do a land search using these filters in Hillsborough County, Florida, there are 915 cash buyers. And just to show you what this looks like, let's click on this one right here. If I click on the owner tab, you can see that this land investor owns 110 properties worth over $37 million. There's a good chance this investor is looking to buy more land because, come on, the only thing better than owning 110 vacant lots is owning 111 vacant lots. Now, once you've created your buyer list, it's time to find land sellers that may be interested in selling their unwanted land. So go back to your search, but but this time exclude businesses. Why? Because if a business owns the lot, they probably have a plan for it. They may be a builder, investor, or developer. That's not who we're looking for. Instead, under owner filter, select only individual owners and trust or bank owners. Also add a filter where they have owned the land for at least 3 years or more. The reason that matters is simple. The longer someone has owned a piece of land, the greater the chance they bought it years ago and are ready to sell it. Maybe they inherited it, stopped using it, or are tired of paying taxes on something they're not doing anything with. So doing this search in Hillsborough County, Florida, it came up with over 3,300 results. Now, once you get this list, you could pull up one record at a time and individually skip trace to get the phone number and then call that seller. Or you could select the entire list and skip trace it. Now, if you're doing bulk skip tracing, check out PropWire's Gold package that gives you 10,000 skip traces per month for only $119. Just go to propwiregold.com to learn more and get signed up. Now, here's a quick tip. Before looking for sellers, call a handful of land investors from your buyers list and find out their exact buy criteria. Then create custom search filters so you're only calling sellers that have properties that match exactly what your buyers are looking for. That way, when you bring them a deal, they will want it, so you're taking out the guesswork. In fact, I am one of those land buyers. I'm looking for specific types of lots where I can build and flip new construction, and I'll pay you $8,700 for every buildable lot you bring me that meets my criteria. To learn how you can be a lot finder for me, go to findlotsgetpaid.com to register for a free training. So let's recap to make sure you have the full PropWire strategy from Ms. Dherby. First, validate the market. Look for markets with strong new construction activity. Second, build your buyers list. Find the big players that are businesses that own at least 50 vacant lots and paid cash. Third, pull your seller list. Search for individual vacant landowners who have owned the property for at least 3 years. And don't forget, you can skip trace to get phone numbers right in PropWire. Just go to propwiregold.com to get 10,000 skip traces for only $119 per month. Now, following Ms. Dherby's strategy, your job is simple. Find out where the spec builders are building and selling new construction. Find out specifically what they want and what they'll pay. Then go find those deals. That's why this strategy works so well. You're not guessing, you're not hoping, you're not trying to convince the market to want something. You're finding existing demand and then supplying it. And that's one of the biggest lessons in land flipping. Don't start with the land, start with the buyers. Because if you know who the buyer is, what they want, and what they're willing to pay, finding profitable land deals becomes a whole lot easier. And like I mentioned earlier, I'm looking for buildable lots that I can build and flip new construction. To learn my exact buy criteria and how to get paid to be a lot finder for me, go to findlotsgetpaid.com. Finally, flipping buildable lots to new construction investors is only one type of land investing. So next, watch a video where I break down 6 more types of land deals that you can flip for huge profits. Watch that now, and I'll see you on the next video.